to this gentleman, Mixologist Sylvester Ryan, and he's powered today by Moet.
That was my little TikTok.
No, you on TikTok?
A little bit. But gentlemen, welcome. Today, I'm just going to be making something. An ode to fathers and an ode to you guys. Now, in listening to the interview, I got to realize that he's an only child. And as an only child, as a father, the responsibility stands with you to preserve the legacy. And that's exactly what he's doing. So he's carrying on what you started. Yeah? Now, my dad always told me that colors have a lot to play with spirit and life and giving energies, right? So I decided as a Father's Day cocktail to make something purple. Now, purple is a very strong color, as they say. So, in order to achieve purple, as a mixologist, of course, we go into a little bit of chemistry. We go into colors, we go into density and that kind of stuff. But remember, the name of the cocktail is preserving the legacy. So, with a little bit of the strawberry, which is the red, just a little touch of lime, just to add the brightness to the cocktail. We're going to add that together, and again, preserving the legacy. So we're not going to do sugar, we're just going to do a little bit of agave syrup. And add that to bring back your sweetness without adding any unnatural sugars. Okay? Right. So that's your red. What do you add to red to make purple? Yeah, I carry back the sesame street. Right, so we're just gonna have the red standing there. Nice. Now, we're creating layers with it, so I'm just gonna ice up the glass so that the layers stand on each other.
Yeah.
Part one ready.
Part one.
First layer. Second layer, we got the blue. Now again, with mixology, you have to understand that certain flavors would stand up on top of each other if it's lighter in density. Right? So you already have your thick layer, then you add your blue curacao.
Oh, that's blue curacao?
Yes.
Right.
And to that, we add some white rum because spirit is lighter than anything that has sugar in it. So it's going to create a lighter liquor or lighter spirit that will stand on top of this one.
You aim it to float it.
Yes.
Correct.
Nice. So you just let it run on the eggs so that it touches, but there's no overpower. It stands, but there's no overpower. That's your second layer.
I'm impressed. I think that is your girl.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I was nervous for you.
I was nervous for myself. But again, as a mixologist, once you understand how to manipulate your different spirits and liquors, everything else becomes second nature. You know? So you're not going to garnish on top, you're going to garnish inside the glass. And then we're going to finish with the star of the show, because we made a toast. And what better to toast with, right? That's going to add your final layer. So you actually see 3 distinct layers within the drink. But as you take it and you stir it, The deeper you go down in it, the more purple it gets. And this is preserving the legacy.
Preserving the legacy. Gentlemen, TikTok. I'm on TikTok. So I love the concept. My mixologist Sylvester Ryan, guys, and preserving the legacy. That's the name of the cocktail. Well, I love to congratulate you to say a wonderful 2023. Much more success to come, my brother. And as I said, celebrating God.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, because without doing, there will be no zero.
And God as well.
I know that's not true. Yeah. You see, that this is always the only thing I want to. This one is about the fellas.
Yeah, but I don't really know.
The lesson. You see, you're in check for your window. It's a long time. Enjoy, guys.
Ooh.